Can you fly this plane and land it?
Robert Hayes.
Hello, it's Robert Hayes from the movie Airplane.
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
I'm here to let you know that Richie Mack, Travel OG, has the #1 urban channel soon to Thailand.
Mayday! Mayday!
So what are you waiting for? Get your butt on the airplane and zoom to Thailand. We're all counting on you.
I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. Zoom to Thailand with your man, Richie Mack, the Travel OG. Good morning, Thailand. What up, Zoom Tribe? It's time to go on another trip through Thailand. I usually start my day off with a peaceful 5-mile walk on the beach as I watch the Thai locals begin to start their day. You can easily lose track of time in the days here in Thailand, and that's what today's subject is all about. I just heard about a brother that overstayed his visa and he got in a lot of trouble. He got heavily fined and he might not be able to come back here for years. You guys have to remember, from the time you step to immigration and they stamp your passport, that's when the countdown begins. As of now, Americans, Canadians, Australians, to the best of my knowledge, have 30 days in Thailand on your first visa. Now, the good news is you can go down to the immigration office after 30 days and apply for a 30-day extension. And then you're good for another 30 days with a total of 60 days. But then you have to leave. But some people don't want to leave. Some people get out here and fall in love with the beauty of this place and they never want to leave, or some irresponsible ones will run out of money where they can't leave. Now, to me, that's cap, because in order to end up in this country, you have to have a round-trip ticket. So the only way to get caught up is if you deliberately miss your flight, and after that, you just start winging it. Penalties for overstaying a 30-day visa in Thailand can vary depending on the duration of your overstay. They call it being blacklisted. Imagine that. If you overstay for less than 90 days, a fine of 500 baht per day up to a maximum of 20,000 baht. Then after that, they'll fine you and kick you out. Now, if you overstay your visa between 90 and 365 days, you'll be fined and can receive a prison sentence for up to 1 year and be banned from re-entering the country for a year. And even after that, there's still no guarantee you're going to get back in. It just really depends on how they feel. You're at their mercy at that point. Now, I know I told you guys a story about my friend that came out here and got turned around not once, but twice. And when I say turned around, I mean get out here, get in line, go up to the immigration office, and they turn your butt right back around to where you came from. Now, he wanted to reroute his flight and go somewhere else like the Philippines, but they would only send him back to the place of his origin. Can you imagine flying all the way from the States to Thailand to get turned around at immigration? Then you got to pay for your own flight back? This is why I'm always reminding you guys to behave, because it's all about respect here. They will welcome you with open arms. But if you give them a good enough reason, they'll get you up out of here. Now, if you surrender yourself after being here for over a year, then they'll give you the regular penalty. But if they catch you doing something goofy and then find out you overstayed your visa, it's a wrap. Automatically, you're going to be banned from re-entering Thailand for 3 years, as well as a possible prison sentence of up to 3 years. And once again, it's not like in the States where you get out early on good behavior or get put on house arrest. No, the time they give you is the time you're going to serve. Every last day, rice and water diet. And after the 3 years, it's still up to them to decide if they'll let you back in the country or not. But that's the minimum amount of time you're going to get before they even consider letting you back in. They have a saying at immigration: good guys in, bad guys out. But I can show you better than I can tell you. I checked out my man Trini Explorer, where he did a video about how he was only 3 days over his visa and he was shook. Shout out to him. Make sure to check out his channel.
Here's where the trouble is. Here's my predicament. The 31st, the day I was leaving to go to Vietnam, is the last day of my visa. Thailand has very strict penalties for people who overstay their welcome. One of the penalties is that for every day that you overstay your visa, you have to pay 500 bahts, and I've overstayed my welcome for 3 days. However, there are new rules that have been put in place recently. It's a little bit worrying for me. I heard horror stories of people overstaying their welcome 90 days and they get banned for 10 years and all sorts of crap. So they're going to be more lenient with you if you surrender yourself. If you go to the immigration office, or if you're leaving the country, they consider that to be surrendering yourself. If you're caught in some sort of like a police raid, or if you're arrested for some sort of disorderly conduct, that is considered being caught overstaying. When you're caught overstaying by the authorities, an overstay of 1 day to 1 year equal 5 years ban from Thailand and a 500 to 20,000 baht fine. Overstay of 1 day to 1 year equal 5 years ban. I'm actually surrendering myself, so I don't think I'll fall into that category. And then overstay more than 1 year equal 10 years ban from Thailand and a 20,000 baht fine.
Now, if you really want to get slick and you stay out here for more than 1,001 days, I don't know why they say 1,001 days, but 1,001 days was like over 3 years, then they're gonna hit you up with heavy fines and keep you in jail for 3 to 5 years. Plus, they're gonna hit you with heavy fines before they kick you out, and then ban you from re-entering Thailand for 5 years. Like I said earlier, severe cases of overstaying can lead to deportation, detention, and being blacklisted from entering Thailand. It's important to follow the visa regulations to avoid facing these type of consequences, y'all. I just wanted to put you guys up on this visa overstay situation because it's very serious out here, man. Respecting the rules, respecting the culture is very serious. How do people come here and don't want to leave? What is it about this place that makes them not want to leave? In America, when immigrants come, they don't want to leave because they know they can make good money, take care of their families, and live a better lifestyle. So why don't people want to leave? Why do they want to stay here? Overextend their visa, risk getting kicked out for not taking care of their visa, try to figure out all kind of ways to get in and stay in, trying to get retirements, trying to leave and come back, trying to do visa runs and all that. Why do you think people do that? Well, it's because of the peace you have here. It's because of how you don't have to have your guards up all the time. How you don't experience any real blatant racism. Except for some of the foreigners. Some of the foreigners act funny. But with the Thais, you don't get none of that, man. They treat you like, it's almost like, you know how you say the customer's always right? In America, they don't really like subscribe to that like they used to. But in Thailand, it's kind of like that. The customer is always right. So they cater to their customers because they know that the foreigners drive the economy. So they're not going to be looking for problems like in other countries where you can't even wear your watch or you can't hold your camera out in public because, you know what can happen. Or you might just go on a date and you know what can happen.
Catching flights, name the price, I'm on that boat. We on that boat. You flew her out for the clout, we call that home. We call that home. Wesley Snipes, black, that go be glowing. That go be glowing. Big bad, zoom to Thailand, she be glowing. She be tuning in. Soon as I get groomed in. We ain't jumping, brooming. Focus, baby, zooming. Ain't no way we booming. Off the plane, we knew me. Ain't no one for 2 men. Just come and trust me, you win. Baby, she got back, it ain't pancake flat. She all that, plus a flat. She ain't fat. She get cooked, she get clean, she get crack, neck back. She like rap, like a man, mostly black. She get hold to the beat like. She love it when I speak right, Baby, give me treetop, make me wanna beatbox. Stick 'em. Make you wanna pick 'em. She never play victim. Spot 'em, we got 'em, no problem. Massage it, my top, my bottom. I'm happy you follow. No stress, no sorrows, no cops, just models. Rub me, she love me. We do it all over tomorrow. Catching flights, name the price. I'm on that boat. We on that boat. You flew her out for the clout. We call that home. Wesley Snipes, black, that go be glowing. Big bad, zoom to Thailand, she be knowing. She be tuning in. Soon as I get groomed in. We ain't jumping, brooming. Focus, baby, zooming. Ain't no way we booming. Off the plane, we knew me. Ain't no one for 2 men. Just come and trust me, you win. Take a L anytime for the team. Take cat it of the day. Yeah, she looking real mean. I mean, she bad. I mean, she thick. I mean, she mean. She don't talk back. All she do is and clean. I left the U.S. overseas. I'm the king. Catching flights, never feelings. Ding, 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 ding. You ain't gotta fuss and fight. Pack your things. Don't meet me, beat me at the spot. We on the scene. Zoom tribe, all my melanated homies.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for sure. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
Super 2024.
Hey! That shit the first one.